Do you still think of waste as a problem? Think no more. Waste is an excellent source of energy, an inexhaustible, local and affordable raw material that can help us reduce CO2 emissions. The TYRANNOSAURUS process from BMH Technology can turn virtually any combustible waste into high-quality, renewable and sustainable fuel. It's called SRF, and it can fully replace coal and other fossil fuels. This is how it works. The TYRANNOSAURUS process starts with a step feeder. Its moving floor continuously feeds an optimum amount of waste into the process as it communicates with the Tyrannosaurus shredder. Once fully loaded, it keeps the process automatically well fed, and the operator can focus on other tasks. Effective shredding is the most important phase when processing waste into SRF. The Tyrannosaurus shredder cuts almost any solid waste to the size of a business card in one pass. Difficult materials, such as carpets or tyres, are no challenge to the shredder. It's the most robust shredder of its kind and has patented features without comparison. The zero-gap technology ensures an optimal cutting profile even with worn knives. It's a semi-automatic system hydraulically maintaining the cutting gap in zero. Thanks to zero-gap technology, Tyrannosaurus is able to easily cut and process even the thinnest of waste materials, such as plastic films and foils. The massive impact protection system protects the shredder against any major damage caused by unshreddable items. Once an impact is detected, it automatically removes the item from the process and then continues normal operation without disturbing the process or requiring any user input. After the waste is shredded, the process sorts out valuable recyclables and removes other selected fractions. Typical separated materials in the Tyrannosaurus line are magnetic and non-magnetic metals. Magnet is often the first separation equipment, simply collecting magnetic metals with a strong magnet. Eddy current uses a powerful magnetic field that changes polarity with high frequency to separate non-magnetic metals. After separation, these metals can be further refined to recycled raw materials. Very fine non-combustible materials such as glass chips, sand, gravel and soil are usually screened from the waste before moving further into the process. This increases the calorific value of the produced fuel while also removing components that might cause problems during combustion. Larger inert particles such as pieces of brick, stones, residual metals and other heavy three-dimensional particles are separated in the end of the process to guarantee high-quality fuel production. The process can be further developed according to customer needs by integrating more specialized recycling stages. After the separation line, the produced fuel is transported into fuel storage. The fully enclosed silo requires only a relatively small space and is completely dust and odor-free. The automatic screw reclaimer is controlled by the fuel demand. It provides an even and homogeneous fuel flow, which is achieved by the first in, first out principle. At the end, what used to be waste has been refined into high-quality SRF, which can be used in combustion processes to substitute fossil fuels. This saves both in fuel costs and in emissions, providing long-term financial and ecological benefits. Fuel a cleaner future with the Tyrannosaurus process from BMH Technology.